So let's begin 5.2, second video. Second video for the 5.3. Second video for 5.3. So that also will be the last video for the spring semester 2020. So after this video, we are all set for this semester. And then you can prepare for the exam 5 and the final. So let's begin example 2 from 5.3. So that formula look like what? Look like what? Look like tangent double. So we can using the formula. So I got tangent double angle. I hope you get that. If you're able to remember the special angle, go for it. You can just give me the answer right away. I don't want decimal. I don't want decimal. So when you see exactly, make sure you give me the radical. I don't want decimal. So if you cannot remember exactly value, we can do some extra calculation. Let's begin. So tangent 30, I can change what? Sine 30 and cosine 30. So sine 30 is a half. And then what? A. That's a divide. And cosine 30 is what? Reciprocal. We all knew that we not allow a radical inside the denominator. Do you see it? So my final answer. So that's my final. That's my final. So you can read that. So let's using what? The tangent, double angle. From here, we got that. Once we get that, and then what? We can what? Combine them, so we got tangent 30. So if you're able to remember tangent 30, you can give me the answer right away. I have no problem. If not, you can do step by step. Step by step, you can calculate. I still get the same answer. So let's begin second example. Second example, okay. So right here, 3 theta. So I'm going to change the what? Cosine 1 theta plus 2 theta. That's a 3. That's a 3. And then we can using the formula we learned from last section, okay. So cosine, the sum of difference. So we can using the formula from last section, okay. So we got the formula. I hope you people remember the formula from last time. So right now, I am using double angle. Double angle. So they have 3 formula. For the double angle, I am using the second one. Why? The second one only has cosine. So I don't want sine. So I only want sine. Do you see it? There's no sine. So I only want cosine. Cosine must be the second one. That's the only one. Another 2, that's sine. I don't want it. And then sine double angle. Sine double angle, they only have 1 formula. So once we get that, and then we can distribute. Do you see how we got so far? So A, that one I need to remove. Why do I remove them? A, do you see on the other side? I want that cosine, I have no sine. So I have to remove them. So I am using the formula we learned from what? Long time ago. That's really powerful formula. We're using a lot. We're using a lot. Sine squared plus cosine squared equal 1. So do you see how we get that? From sine square, I got 1 minus cosine square. And then what? I move that one to the front. Do you see it? I moved that one to the front right here. So I got that, and then I can distribute. Do you see it? Once I distribute, I can combine the like term. So I got 4 cosine to a third minus 3 cosine. Are they exactly same? Yes, they do. That means I'm done. Let me go over the problem one more time. Make sure you understand. First, the 3 data I cut into 1 and 2. Cut into 1 and 2. I got that. And then I'm using the sum from the last section. Do you see it? Once I got that, I am using the double angle. Cosine double angle, I am using that one. Why do I using that one? There are 3 of them. Why do I using that one? Because that one's the only one had cosine only. Another 2 had sine. I don't want sine. Why? Do you see on that side? There's no sine, only cosine. So that's a unique one. And then what? I get sine double angle. So double angle, that's the only one they had. So I'm using that. Once I got that, I can what? Distribute. Do you see the distribute? I got that. Once I got the blue one, and then what? What should I do? I need to remove that one. Why do I need to remove sine square? There's no sine square. There's no sine. Sine square must be removed. I am using that formula, the one we learned previously. Sine square plus cosine square equals 1. So I got right here. You see it? I got right here. And then what? I move that one, cosine to the front. I got right here. And then I distribute. I got that. Combine like term, I got that. So that's exactly same to the right here. So I'm done for the proving. So let's review a little bit more. So that's the last homework for you to do. For chapter 5.3. Remember that exam 5 will be on April 21st. I will email you the exam between 5 to 5:30 on April 21st. And then what? You can return the exam back to me on the same day before 9 p.m. You got almost 4 hours. You got 3 hours and a half. Almost 4 hours. So I do not accept late exam. So make sure you return back to me on the same day. Make sure you will clear. I will read them neat. On May 5th, that's a review. Review by yourself. You can go over exam 1, exam 2, exam 3, exam 4, exam 5. Review all the exam. Make sure you understand. If you don't understand, you can email me or ask me during those hours. I will answer right away. So I will answer ASAP for you. On the final will be May 12. Final. Same. I will email you the exam between 5 to 5:30, and the exam due by the same day, May 12, by 8:30. So you have 3.5 hours. The exam normally take around 1.5 hours. Should not take more than 2 hours. So make sure you return back to me before the deadline. Good luck. So I'm done everything. So right now you just prepare for the last exam and the final. Okay, if you have any question, make sure you email me or call me during those hours. I will happy to answer your question. Good luck. Bye-bye.